Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding, and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. This video is continuation of integumentary systems burst related procedures. So let's start. 19281 Placement of burst localization devices. Example: clip, metallic pellet, wire or needle, radioactive seeds, percutaneous, first lesion, including mammographic guidance. So, the physician will prep, wrap and anesthetize the patient. Then after that, he will utilize the mammographic guidance, and by using needle or any other introducing instruments, the physician will place the device like clip, metallic pellet, wire or needle or radioactive seeds in the breast lesion of patient. Then again the physician will utilize mammographic guidance to confirm the proper position of device. If this was the procedure performed, then assign 19281. If the physician is performing this procedure on 2 lesions or 3 lesions, then you have to use the add-on code 19282, which is each additional lesion including mammographic guidance. So if it is 3 lesions, then assign 19282 2 times and 19281 one time. Always use 19282 in conjunction with 19281. And we have different codes with different guidance for this same procedure, like stereotactic guidance, ultrasound guidance, magnetic resonance guidance. So assign the code depending on the guidance utilized by physician. You can see in the picture that these are radiation therapy treatment. This is intraoperative radiation therapy. Here, after removing a partial mastectomy, a part of breast along with tumor, the physician will place this applicator to the site of previously removed tumor. Then he will release the low radiations at the site of previously removed tumor to defeat the cancerous cells. So this is how the intraoperative radiation therapy is performed. Then this is interstitial breast brachytherapy. The physician will use hollow catheters and he will puncture the breast and passes the catheter from one side of the breast to the other side of the breast. And finally, he will hold the applicator with the help of buttons and sutures to skin. So that will be used for radiation therapy treatment. And one more procedure of radiation therapy treatment is performed, that is expandable catheter. Picture of that procedure I didn't paste it here. So the physician may use single catheter or multi-channel. The physician, he will use expandable catheter, means the balloon catheter he will insert into the site of previously removed tumor. There I will expand the balloon by filling it with saline, so just to confirm that the catheters are properly placed. Finally, he will secure the catheters by suturing there, and he will continue radiation therapy in future. So we have codes related to radiation therapy treatment. Code is 19294. This is add-on code. After the partial mastectomy, this procedure is performed. This is related to intraoperative radiation therapy treatment, which is performed during the same session after the partial mastectomy. Then assign this add-on code 19294. Here there is an instruction note: use 19294 in conjunction with 19301, 19302. It means you have to assign 19301 or 19302 first, then assign this code 19294. Then we have 19296. This code is related to expandable catheter, but this procedure is performed on date separate from partial mastectomy, means this procedure is performed not during the same session or same date. So if the physician is inserting expandable catheters not on the same date, assign 19296. If the physician is inserting expandable catheter after partial mastectomy for the radiotherapy treatment on the same date during the same session, then you can assign 19297. If the physician is inserting brachytherapy catheters, then you have to assign the code 19298. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.